whenever you get a new computer, whether you built it yourself or you bought it off the shelf. There are several things that you should really do or should have done as soon as you get home. So that's what this video is going to be about. So the next time you go to get a computer, you'll know what to do. Or if you've been using your computer for a while, you may have realized you never really did some of these things, so you can do them now. One of the first things you should do when setting up a new computer is to ensure that all software is up to date. This includes updating your Windows operating system via Windows Update, as well as updating your graphics card drivers from the manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA or AMD. This step is crucial, especially if you've purchased a computer that has been sitting on the shelf for a while. Outdated software can pose a security risk when browsing the internet or using various applications. Fortunately, updating your software is a straightforward process. Simply go to the Windows Update settings and run the update. For graphics card updates, you'll need to visit the manufacturer's website and download the latest driver. NVIDIA and AMD have automatic tools to help you get the latest updates easily. By keeping your software up to date, you'll ensure that your computer runs smoothly and is secure from potential threats. Another important step when setting up a new computer is to uninstall any bloatware that comes pre-installed on the system. Even if you've built your own computer and installed a fresh copy of Windows, you'll likely find software that you don't need, such as Candy Crush, which is in the Start menu. This issue can be even worse when buying a computer off the shelf, as manufacturers often receive payments from software companies to include their products pre-installed on the system. Fortunately, it's easy to remove bloatware from both Windows and Mac computers. Simply go to the list of installed applications and uninstall anything that you don't need or recognize as junk. By removing bloatware, you'll free up space on your computer's hard drive, improve its performance, and avoid annoying pop-ups and notifications. So, take a few minutes to remove any unnecessary software and enjoy a more streamlined and efficient computing experience. Before we move on to step 3, I wanted to take a moment to remind you that if you're finding this video helpful, we would really appreciate it if you could take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to create more content and reach more viewers like you. Thanks for your support. Third step is another crucial step when setting up a new computer is to install a reliable antivirus software that provides real-time network and web protection. While the built-in antivirus that comes with your operating system may be sufficient for basic needs, it's crucial to protect against modern threats like exploit attacks on your web browser or other software. This will ensure your computer stays safe and secure from potential threats. Protecting your privacy is crucial, so now the next thing you should definitely do is go through the privacy settings on your computer. In Windows, head to Settings, Privacy General, and Disable. Let apps use Advertising ID and Show Me Suggested Content in the Settings app. The first option disables a unique tracker ID that allows advertisers to target you with specific ads, while the other one is basically just for unnecessary ads. In addition, go to Settings, Personalization. Start and disable Show Suggestions occasionally and start to avoid seeing more bloatware ads. Remember to review all privacy settings for maximum protection. The next step is to check the power plan for your computer. You can find this by searching in the Start menu for Power and Sleep options, and then go to Additional Power Settings. Here, you'll see several options, with Balanced being the default. However, if your computer is a desktop or a laptop that remains plugged in all the time, I recommend putting it on High Performance. This will ensure that you always get the best performance out of your computer. On the other hand, if your laptop is going to be used on the go, Balanced is a suitable option. If you're going to use your laptop for long periods of time, it might be useful to switch to Power Saver mode. Regardless of the mode, it's crucial to know which power mode you're on for optimal performance and battery life. In conclusion, setting up a new computer can be exciting, but it's crucial to ensure that it's properly configured and secured. By following these steps, your computer will run smoothly, stay secure, and provide the best performance. If you have any questions or concerns, we encourage you to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching,